Okay, everybody. Oh, I was going to say here's a video with some background music, but the minute I turned on my camera, the background music went off, and we were listening to the Doors. Honey, turn around, say hi, flower.
Camping.
What?
I'm camping.
You're testing?
Camp.
Temping?
Camping.
Okay, well, it's really quiet in this campground. So is the river, except it's a little bit windy and we can't put the awning out, so. But it's not terribly hot today, so we'll just sit here with the doggy. Ready, Mia? Are you going to say hi to all of our friends? Mia, say hi. I'm Mia. I'm Muffin, and that lady over there want me to leave her alone is Flower.
Hey, it's 1:30. 55.
I heard you. I heard you. Trying to catch a boat going by. I think there's one coming right. Well, I thought there was a boat coming. Oh, there's one right there. There's been some really nice ones going by here. Anyhow, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks, everybody. Till later. That's all for now.